Our top 5 best pod coffee makers. One number product. Nestle Nespresso Deluxe Coffee and Espresso Maker. Smart Coffee Maker brews the perfect single-serve coffee or espresso drink time after time, thanks to Nespresso's centrifugation technology using barcodes to deliver the best in-cup results, including the perfect crema for large coffee cup sizes. Two number product. Keurig K-Duo Plus Coffee Maker. What's in the box? 12 cups thermal carafe and mesh reusable ground coffee filter included with your brewer. Brew a cup and a carafe. Use both ground coffee and K-cup pod. Strong brew. Brew a stronger, more intense single cup and carafe. Three number product. Illy Y3 Espresso and Coffee Machine. Effortlessly prepare espresso and coffee with easy-to-use one-touch operation. Works with Illy Hyper Espresso capsules. Features 2 programmable coffee settings and adjusts to fit almost any cup size to ensure you can enjoy your espresso or coffee just the way you like it. 4 number product. Lavazza Blue Classy Espresso Coffee Machine. Works with Lavazza Blue capsules. 2 coffee selections, simple touch controls, 1 programmable free dose and 1 preset. Visual alerts, fitted with a visual indicator to show when the water tank is empty or the capsule's drawer is full. 5 number product. NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Coffee Machine. Nescafé Dolce Gusto Misto is an automatic capsule coffee machine, designed to perfectly fit your single cup, black and specialty coffee brewing needs utilizing an intuitive touchscreen, coffee house-inspired drinks. Thanks for watching this video.